welcome back to my YouTube channel. And as you know, Independence Day is coming soon, 15th August. So I decided to make Indian flag puppet. So for this activity, we will need hard paper. Okay, so hard paper. Then we will also need the normal paper, like which we write on, like this. You will only need this much. You will need some colors too. Like green and orange. Okay, we will need these two colors and a blue marker, like a pen. So we will start taking this first. We're going to shape it like this. Okay. Like this shape. And we are just going to make sections. I think you guys can see it, yeah. Yeah, so we're going to need 3 portions. We're going to take the orange and color that in the first section. Okay. We will not need to do it white because I already took the hard white paper. Now I'm going to do the green. Okay, like that. Then we will take this, our normal soft page. Then we will take this, and then we will make the big circle. And we're gonna like cover this all up. Now we're going to just cut the circle out. That will be the Ashoka chakra. I'm going to have to do the other side too. Okay. Should I do the other side? Yes, of course. Alrighty. Be back. Okay, so I did it on both sides. Now I'm just going to cut it until the dot. Then see what angle you wanted to fold it. Will it be good? Angle is good. Angle is good. Yes. Like this. Then we're just going to take our tape again. Okay, so I just got to shape it a little bit. Righty. Oh no, did I lose it again? Oh, there, I found it. Now I'm going to do this. We're going to tape it from the inside. Okay. I'm going to snip it. Yep. What? Junk. Alrighty, so we're gonna take the puppet thing and we're gonna trace it onto the flag like this. Alrighty. Now we're going to make like a little cut, scissors, and poke the hole, and then what? Wrong. Oh, there you go. I'm like, why isn't it cutting? Is my scissors broken? So we're just gonna cut it like this. Round shape. Ooh. Some part of this is left. Alrighty. Now we're gonna take this and then put it on top. Okay, now we're gonna need the tape again. Now put this on, right? And then we're gonna do it from the side. Tape it like this. And take this again. And oh, okay. So I taped the top. Now I'm gonna tape the down portion. Okay, so that's done. Now if you want to do it from the back, you can, but I won't. Because now we're going to take this part of the leftover. Don't throw it yet. So we're just going to take this part. Take a thick portion like this. I'm just going to cut it from here. And then fold it down. Cut a teensy bit from here. And here. Alright. And cut it and fold it down. Now I fixed my mistake. I'm like, what's wrong with this? Now I'm just going to tape it from the back. Because if I don't do it from the back, what's the point? It's gonna just fall out. After this activity, you can, on Independence Day, you can even like wave a mini flag and play with an Independence Day flag. Pop it! Ah! Okay, guys. So look, it's Independence Day, Indian flag. Pop it! Doop, boop, boop, boop. Da da da. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the post notifications so you can see all the new videos that we upload every time. Bye. Happy Independence Day. Pop it. Bye.